Hi Texters, I hope you are doing well and vibing some positivity out there. But ironically, positive is the most negative word in 2020, right? I've also been tested positive for COVID, which has put me to this ideal situation where I'm doing nothing since few weeks. Certainly, I felt Heisenberg when he said, I'm not in danger, but I am the danger. You might have heard as well, an idle mind is devil's workshop, but I think the devil inside me is up for some good work. As it is said, the show must go on, we should move on to be ready for the new normal which is yet to be witnessed. So we at Key2CS have planned to come up with live technical sessions which would be completely free. It would largely help those people who are preparing for the campus drives. Also, it would help the people who are willing to enhance their skills. We would cover topics of data structure and algorithm, which is the most important topic for people preparing for campus drives. Also, we have planned to touch topics of database management system and some SQL queries obviously, and we have also planned to cover some programming concept and also some programming languages like Java and Python. So join us live this Sunday evening at 7:30 p.m. on our YouTube channel Key2CS to kickstart this session. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about future sessions. Kill the bias, upskill with Key2CS.